Was just told by this nice woman here that the police put the grab on 2 shoplifters right here, and they're both in custody. Good job, Lafourche Parish Sheriff. Good job. They didn't get away. It doesn't pay, folks. It does not pay. It's not worth it. At last, we finally got the rain. Yo, it's been so dang dry. My grass has been drying up. Look at that. Oh yeah, man, it's growing too. Oh yeah. Hopefully you'll do this for an hour. We need a soaker for at least an hour like this. Woo! Yay! Woo, 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 woo. I love the rain. I love the rain. Look how dry my driveway is. Look how dead my grass is. Thank you, Mother Nature. Bless you. Thank you, ma'am. I love you so much. Boy, we needed this bad. Boy, it's been so hot and dry. It needs to do this for 30 minutes at least, if not longer. Well, the rain came and went, but it cooled everything off. It gave us a little yard watering, a little. By tomorrow morning, you won't even tell it rained. And let's see if I can home in where the mockingbird's chirping at one of the cats. Wherever there's mockingbirds, there's cats lying around. Right there. Nope, that's not him. Look how dry my grass is, though. Ooh, rumble thunder. I think they're back here somewhere. There's a mockingbird there. But where's the cat? Oh, there he is. There's a cat up there a bird up there on the line, and they're attacking him there. He's on the septic tank, the cat. And he went under the house. Ooh, they hate cats. Finally we got some rain though, but not enough. It needed to rain for at least 30 minutes longer. Oh, some rain is better than no rain.